Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are gonna be learning how to use TikTok on desktop or your PC for beginners. To access TikTok from your desktop, you will need a web browser. Open up your favorite web browser on your computer and go to the URL box and type in tiktok.com and search. You will then find yourself in the official website for TikTok. You will then see this interface where you can choose the login options or sign up for a new account. To log into your existing TikTok account, choose one of the options from the top of the screen. You can also continue using TikTok without logging in. Click on Continue without login in order to do so. To create a new account since you are a beginner, click on Sign Up at the bottom. Now, select the sign up method for TikTok. Click on either use phone or email, continue with Facebook, or continue with Google option. Select one of the options that is suitable for you. Follow through the on-screen prompts and provide necessary information for your account. You will need to provide information such as your phone number, username, email address, and password. Choose your account you would like to log in or sign up with. Now, you will need to provide your birthday information. Type in your birthday month, year, and day and click on Next. Create a username for yourself and click on Sign Up. Once you are done with it, you will then end up in the main homepage for TikTok, which means you have successfully signed up. The desktop interface might look slightly different from the app, but the core functions remain the same. The feed page is where you will land in as soon as you find sign in or sign up for TikTok. This is where you will see a curated selection of trending videos based on your interest and watch history. Scroll endlessly and discover new content creators from this page. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and find a specific creator. Once you find the creator of your choice, you will then see the creator you are looking for in the search result. You can filter your search from the top accounts option, top videos option, or live. To create and upload a new content on TikTok, go to the top right hand corner and click on Upload. Create a content and select a content from your desktop. From the main homepage, you can explore through the contents and like the content by clicking on the heart icon. If you want to comment on a content, click on the comment button right under like and make sure you type in the comment in the text box at the bottom. Add relevant comment and make sure to use polite words while commenting on someone on any kind of a platform. After you write down your comment, you can also use and add emojis, tag someone in your comment and click on Post. If you find a video that you'd like to share, simply go to the video and click on the share button. Now, you can share it on various platforms by choosing one of the options from the pop-up. To edit your TikTok profile information, go to the top right corner of your screen and mouse over to your profile picture. Now you can click on View Profile and edit your profile. Explore through other features for TikTok, such as going to the settings menu and make necessary edits for your settings. Here you can manage your account, select your privacy settings, enable push notifications, turn your account to a business account, and much more. So that was some basics on how you can easily start using TikTok on your laptop. But remember that you cannot directly upload videos through the desktop interface. You can still create and edit content using the mobile app and then upload it on your account. So that was how you can easily use TikTok on your PC or laptops. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.